Welcome again to my mathematics online tutorial, and in today's class we shall be treating quadratic equation. This is a topic under Math 101. Now we have four methods under quadratic equation. The first one is almighty formula. Then we can also use factorization method, and we can also use completing the square or graphical method. But in today's class, let us start with completing the square method. Look at this simple question on the board. It says solve x squared plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. How are we going to solve it? We'll write solution. Now let us copy this question. X squared plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. The first thing we need to do is to take this to the right hand side. Therefore, we're going to have x squared plus 7x equal to minus 10. Look at what I've done. This 10, before it was at the left hand side, now is taken to the right. And as such, the sign changes from plus to negative. That's why we have minus 10 there. The next thing to do is to divide the coefficient of x by 2. Square it, then add it to both sides. Look at it. You divide the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x here is what? 7. So the law says divide the coefficient of x by 2. Look at it now. And then square it. Then before you add it to both sides. So it means we are going to be adding 7 over 2 squared to both sides. So let's go now. This is x squared plus 7x. I will now say plus 7 all over 2 square is equal to what? Minus 10 plus 7 all over 2 square. So permit me to remove that so that I will not be confused. I just wrote it out so that we have, look at it now. I took 7 divided by 2, squared it, and added to both sides. That is why we have x squared plus 7x plus 7 over 2 squared equal to minus 10 plus 7 over 2 squared. Now, this, I'll write this to be x squared plus 7 over 2 squared. We now ignore this, alright? Equal to minus 10 plus. This 7 over 2 now, 7 squared is what? 49. 7 squared, please, it's not 7 times 2. It's 7 multiplied by 7. All over 2 squared is 4. You can say all over 1, alright? So here, this can also be written as plus x plus 7 over 2. Everything is squared now. Since both are squared, x is squared, then 7 over 2 is squared, and plus. This one I'm going to be taking the LCM. LCM is 1 times 4 is 4, alright? Then 4 divided by 1, we have 4. 4 times minus 10, we have minus 40. Plus 4 divided by 4, we have what? 4 divided by 4, we have 1. 1 times 49, we have 49. Alright? Now, we now have x plus 7 over 2 squared is equal to minus 40 plus 49. It means 49 minus 40. So we now have what? We now have 9 all over 4. The next thing to do is to take the square root of both sides. Mind you, this is 9. Take the square root of both sides. That is both left and right hand side. So when we do that now, we have square root of x plus 7 over 2 square is equal to plus or minus square root of what? 9 all over 4. Now, taking the square root of the left hand side, this square root cancels this square. So now we'll be left with x plus 7 all over 2. That is the sign, this square root sign will be cancelled with this 2. So it's equal to plus or minus. Square root of 9 is 3. And square root of 4 is 2. Now, permit me to remove this so that now, moving this up, we now have what? X plus 7 over 2 equals to plus or minus 3 over 2. So what are we going to do? The next thing to do is, we'll be having two values of x. Now x is equal to, let's just say plus or minus 3 over 2 first. This plus 7 over 2 will be taken to the what? To the right. So we want x to be left alone here. That is why 7 over 2 will be taken to this side. As it is crossing this sign, it becomes negative. 7 over 2. So it means the first value of x is going to be, let's pick the positive side, which is 3 all over 2 minus 7 over 2. Or we'll now pick the negative side. If you like, add plus. For you to know that yes, we are taking the positive side. Then the negative side is 3 all over 2 minus 7 all over 2. Now, what is the LCM? LCM, since it's 2, 2, so we can decide to use 2. 2 divided by 2, we have 1. 1 times 3, we have 3. 2 divided by 2, we have 1. 1 times 7, we have 7. Now, 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Minus 4 over 2 is minus 2. Or, we do this one. Here, what is the LCM? LCM is still 2. 2 divided by 2, we have 1. Then 1 times minus 3, we have minus 3. Then 2 divided by 2, we have 1. 1 times minus 7 is there, 7. So now minus 3 minus 7 is minus 10. That is, you add it up, then add minus to the answer. That's what we call minus 3 minus 7. It becomes minus 10. So minus 10 over 2, you have minus 5. So this implies that x is equal to minus 2 or minus 5. Please let me remove this so that we will not confuse. So thank you very much. The value of our x is either equal to minus 2 or minus 5. Bye.